Want to dive into Web3 and start earning today? You've come to the right place. Here at Task Trekkers, we make exploring and earning in Web3 simple and fun. Whether you're new to the scene or already a crypto whiz, our free in-depth guides have got you covered. Imagine staking, yield farming, or trading NFTs like a pro. We'll show you how, step by step, with easy-to-follow tutorials and practical tips, but we don't just stop at the basics. Dive deep into DeFi protocols and discover advanced strategies to maximize your earnings, all without spending a dime on courses or premium content. And the best part, our community is here to support you every step of the way. Connect, share insights, and learn together with fellow Web3 enthusiasts. So why wait? Subscribe now and start your Web3 journey with Task Trekkers. Your path to Web3 success starts here. Before we jump into earning, you need to understand what Web3 actually is and how it's different from Web1 and Web2. Web1, the read-only web. Web1 was the first version of the internet. It started in the 1990s. You could only read content, like online newspapers or websites. No interaction, no comments, no uploads. Just read-only pages. Think of it like a digital library. Web2, the read and write web. Then came Web2. This is the internet most of us use today. Social media, YouTube, blogging, e-commerce. We can read and also write or upload content. But here's the catch. Big companies like Google, Facebook, and Amazon control your data. Web3, the read, write, and own web. Now comes Web3, the next generation. It's built on blockchain technology, which means it's decentralized. No one company owns it. You control your data and digital assets. What can we do in Web3? Earn crypto by completing tasks or joining DAOs. Own digital items like NFTs or tokens. Use DeFi platforms to lend, borrow, and stake crypto. Play games and earn, play to earn. Join decentralized apps, dApps. Which services does Web3 provide? Wallets like MetaMask to store your crypto. Decentralized exchanges, DEX, to trade crypto without banks. NFT marketplaces like OpenSea. Blockchain networks like Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon. dApps for finance, gaming, content, and more. So if you're ready to explore Web3 and discover real ways to earn without spending a single dollar, make sure to subscribe, like, and follow Task Trekkers. We're here to guide you on your Web3 earning journey, step by step. Thanks for watching and welcome to the Web3 world.